If you wanna know what's cooking, watch Running 999.
Hey everyone, so today we're gonna be making Yamakake Don. Let's go. 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, we're gonna heat it up with sliced ginger for about 2 minutes. It will also evaporate the alcohol. Transfer to a bowl, let it cool down. Tuna fish, pour the sauce through a sieve. Marinate the tuna in the sauce for at least 20 minutes. This is nagaimo, Japanese mountain yam. It's too slimy to hold it, so you can use chopsticks like this. Nagaimo is very healthy, but it's just slimy, gooey stuff. So that could be the problem for you, maybe. Wasabi. Remove the bumps with the back of the knife. Grate wasabi circular in motion. Shiso leaves. Tuna fish. Yum, yum. Wasabi. 刻みのり Sesame seeds, maybe soy sauce. So this is it. I don't know if you guys like raw fish such as sushi or sashimi, but this is one of Japanese traditional food, so I thought you should know. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.